Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the credits of a particular song on the Spotify application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should select a song from either from your home page by clicking on the home icon down below or tapping on the second icon. So you are going to see that you can choose from these vast variety of categories, or you can also type in the title of a particular song that you have in mind. You can either select a genre and a playlist. So if you have found a song that you are interested in, tap on the three dots icon, scroll down till you find the song credits option down below, tap on it, and then you are going to see all of the credits, such as it was performed by whom, written by these three people, and produced by, and also the source. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.